all Manipur Gram Panchayat level and LAMPS Banks Development Cooperative Societies Association na Manipur State Cooperative Bank ki Board of Management ga LOUTUNARAGA Bank asi Muthatnaba Hotnare Haina Maral Siriba Asi Yumpham Yaodani Haina Manipur State Cooperative Bank ki Deputy General Manager LEIRIKYENGBAM ANGOUBA na PHONGDOKKHRE Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa paugi mifam amada wafam asi phongdok laduna mahakna makhatana hai hauzik bank asigi board ki election pangthoknaba processing paikhatpadi lei adubu masigi matangna notification thokpa leitri Manipur Cooperative Society Act 1976 ki section 73 clause 3 clause 1 gi matung ina board natraga management ki election asi mamangi tam hoba matamda election tawkhiba matungdagi tha amagi mamangda pangthokadabani chahi asigi November 16 da election pangthokpa asi act asigi provision gi matung ina pangthoktaba yadraba thabak amani bank asigi election rule amadi bylaw singi manungda election ga mari lainaba notice DCO amadi ARCS da thagadaba ni haibalaite MCS Act 1976 MCS Rule 1977 Bank asigi bylaw amadi election rule singi matung ina bank asigi Board of Management election asi democratic oiba mawongda pangthoknaba hotnari election asida saruk yaba yanabagi damak lairiba society singda matam chana lairiba loan gi due sing adu singdoknaba numit 15 gi matam pikhiba su laikhrei masiga loinana bank asida democracy gi chatna kanglon ngakna chatuna Board of Management thamnaba damak election pangthok na special general body meeting ama lakliba November gi kulumdoi da pangthok lagani masida lamda masigi miyam amadi bank asiga punna chatminariba society singdasu sagat piu haike
individual members na mamagi kanu singke mu society sing maruina bank da affiliate of society sing akogi corporate body sing digi NGO sing SIG sing mayam ama leiri makoi sing jigiri makoi gi society oi banina mi ama katamak delegate oina lakadabani anuna delegate oina lana da bagi damak ta amuk akoina amuk matam pijaraga akoi 27 September 2024 da amuk na hoina akogi form A na amuk lai akogi delegation form this is for the delegates from the societies akogi aduga form A1 na malai sina for sin this is for individuals singi hai riba form A1 A amasung A1 ne che amuna koi submit tor o hatna akoi amu notify to hiba date chi akoi 27 September 2024 and the same notification has been published in 3 local newspapers that is Phongndokkhrhe, Manipuri Press and Narol Gitongdang for 3 consecutive days on 1st October 2024, 2nd October 2024 and 3rd October 2024 sumaina